Public administrations are facing key socio-economic challenges such as population increase, demographic change, employment, mobility, environment, plus the squeeze on public finances. On the other hand, citizens' expectations in terms of burden reduction, efficiency, and personalisation are growing. There is a clear need to move towards a more open model of design, production, and delivery of public services, leveraging on the collaboration between citizens, entrepreneurs, and civil society. 12 partners from 4 different countries, including research centres, companies and public administrations, are working together to create an ecosystem of tools and public services. Cities and territories should be transformed into hubs of welfare, innovation and economic growth, giving place to smarter cities or territories. WeLive proposes a new concept of e-government, which provides the technological means to enable all the stakeholders in a city or territory to lead the innovation process, and so turn public resource assets into artifacts to nurture economic growth and job creation. A new WeGovernment ecosystem of tools will be created based on open data, open services, and open innovation paradigms that can be easily applied in various public administrations and allow all participants to engage in the activities of municipalities and cities. Let's consider a possible new urban app. Imagine that you often need to schedule an appointment with your doctor, but in the city where you live, there is not such an online service or app to do that. As a result, you have to go in person to the health centre to make your appointment. Using WeLive's Open Innovation Area component, you can issue a proposal for a new app to allow online appointments, which other fellow citizens might see, comment, and include suggestions. Some local programming companies, helped by the recommendation capabilities of WeLive's Decision Engine component, might choose already available building blocks in WeLive's marketplace to create the basic app structure. After this, with the help of the Visual Composer tool, a prototype of the new service, including its user interface, is created and uploaded into WeLive's marketplace. The appointment request requires gathering some basic personal information about the patient. This privacy-sensitive info is accessible through WeLive's Citizen Data Vault, i.e. a component that ensures only authorised access to personal data. Derived from this co-ideation and co-creation process enabled by WeLive, a new app which allows citizens to arrange online appointments is created and published in the marketplace. A 2-phase piloting of the project will take place in 3 cities and 1 region throughout Europe: Bilbao, Novi Sad, Trento, and Helsinki-Uusimaa. WeLive defines a solution that will empower the citizens and the businesses to directly participate in the design, creation, selection, and delivery of public services. As a result, an ecosystem of an increasing number of urban apps for a given city will be enabled and published. WeLive Marketplace, simplifying and improving public services and the general quality of life in a city. WeLive, a new concept of public administration based on citizen co-created mobile urban services.